In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Smartsheet ownership safely before removing a user account. When someone is leaving a team or no longer needs access, it's important to make sure their Smartsheet items don't get left behind. If this step is missed, key sheets, reports, dashboards, or even entire workspaces can become harder to manage. In some cases, important work may end up inaccessible or without a clear owner. So before the account is removed, take a few minutes to review ownership and transfer anything that still matters. Start by checking which Smartsheet items the person currently owns. This includes sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces. The goal here is to identify everything connected to that account so nothing important is overlooked. A careful review at this stage helps prevent confusion later and gives you a complete picture of what needs to be reassigned. Once you know what the person owns, ask a Smartsheet admin to review that ownership before the account is removed. This extra check is useful because an admin can confirm whether the listed items are still active, whether they're important to current projects, and whether any ownership changes need to happen right away. It also helps avoid accidental loss of oversight on essential business content. After that, transfer ownership of the sheets, reports, dashboards, and workspaces that need to stay active. Make sure each item is reassigned properly rather than simply left attached to the old account. This keeps the content manageable and ensures someone is clearly responsible for maintaining it going forward. As you do the transfer, choose a new owner with the correct permissions. This is an important detail. The new owner should be someone who is appropriate for the role, understands the content, and has the level of access needed to manage and update it. Choosing the right person now can save time and prevent permission issues later. Before deactivating the old user, confirm that the transfer is complete. Double check that ownership has actually been updated everywhere it needs to be. This final confirmation helps make sure nothing is missed before the original account is turned off. Then check that shared users still have access. Ownership changes can sometimes affect visibility or create confusion, so it's worth verifying that the right collaborators can still open and use the items they need. Following this process helps keep important work from becoming locked, unmanaged, or inaccessible. It's a simple but essential part of offboarding, and it keeps your Smartsheet environment organized, secure, and ready for the next person to take over.